Tesla has unveiled two innovative prototypes, the Cybercab and the Robovan, which represent the future of the American automotive giant. Cybercab, this autonomous robotaxi, is expected to arrive by 2027, with a price tag of under $30,000. Although the final cost could increase. Its design resembles a blend of the Model 3 and the Cybertruck, featuring upward opening doors and no side mirrors, which are replaced by cameras. Charging is done via induction, and the interior boasts a large infotainment screen, with no steering wheel or pedals, as all functions are handled by the onboard autopilot. Details on range, battery capacity, and performance are not yet available. Robovan, a futuristic van designed to accommodate up to 14 passengers or 4 cargo transport. The interior includes entertainment screens and ample storage space. The Robovan is versatile, intended for use as a school bus, mobile workshop, wedding vehicle, or food truck, but more information will be provided later. Both vehicles highlight Tesla's focus on innovation and autonomy in the mobility sector.